Welcome to all. Okay, friends, today we showing again a chapter number 10, but last because this chapter have very long. The last time we showing in the 5 part. This chapter also very important in the 11, 12 science also and the exam. Whenever you found the number of questions should become from this chapter is more and more because once question come in the section D, one coming in section B means 2 marks and 1 marks question also come. So total 7 or 8 marks contain of given this chapter. So now today we showing a last topic and then after we showing a 1 2 numericals from this chapter. So today our last topic is power of a lens. So what is the power of lens? So discuss here in the this topic also you showing in standard 8 also. Same definition. Like as per the equation you found here, P is equal to 1 by F. F is the focal length, P is the length of power. So now, so you have already learned that the ability of lens to coverage or diverge light rays depends on its focal length. Means a convex lens of short focal length bends the light rays through a large angles by focusing them closer to the optical center. Like contour lens of very short focal length cause higher divergence than the one with longer focal length. The degree of convergence or divergence of light rays achieved by a lens is expressed in terms of its power. So definition starting from here, the power of a lens is defined as the reciprocal of its focal length. It is represented by the letter capital P. The power P of length of focal length f is given by like a similar equation like P is equal to 1 by f. Now unit, a very important in the exam. The SI unit of power of length is dipole. Okay, dipole is a unit. It is denoted by the letter capital D. If f is expressed in meters, definitely the power is expressed in diopters. Thus, one diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter, means one diopter is equal to 1 meter inverse 1. So you may note that the power of a convex lens is positive and that of a concave lens is negative. So friends, here again, one of the like one, it is a diopter. In the exam time, you saw found here, it is a diopter. Okay. So optician. Now they prepare a scissors lenses. The corrective lens indicating their powers means the lens prescribed has power equal to plus 2.0 diopter. This means the lens is convex and the focal length is a plus 0.50 meter. So that means the lens of power minus 2.5 diopter and the focal length is a minus 0.40 meter. So this lens is a concave. So friends, it is a like a numerical question, like a one type of one solved question, like a fill in the blanks, true, false, or any one type of objective. So that time and match the tables. So that time definitely this type of question compulsory should become. Okay, friends. So it is the last short note of given chapter because after this nothing any type of theory we found but numerical. So one or two numerical we solve here because in the exam time this numerical should become. Now numerical come. But which type of equation? Like a concave formula, lens formula, and a magnification. So there's that type of equation. Whenever you learn in the exam time, definitely one or two numericals should become. So that base you try that base. So now first we showing an exercise. So we found here the exercise of the concave mirror. Okay friends, now so you showing here some example. So we check here. So example first one. Now a convex mirror. Now whenever you showing a heading like a mirror, so definitely we using a equation like 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, means v showing a plus in between v and u. Used for rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature like 3.0 meter. So first we have the value radius r plus 3 meter. If a bus is locked at 5 meter from the mirror, means we have object distance, and that time we have a u minus 5 meter. Why say minus? Because we moving in the reverse side. So find the position, nature, and the size of the image. So we want a value of image and the height of the image. So we have equation 1 by v plus 1 by u by 1 by f. But here we solve, we found a value of v. So we have only value of u, but we have no f. So first we found the focal length. How can possible? So equation focal length f is equal to r by 2. We have value r 3. So 3 by 2 means plus 1.5 meter. It is a focal length f. So directly we put in this equation, and after mathematical step we found the value of v. So this answer should become plus 1.15 meter. So the image is 1.50 meter at the back of the mirror. So magnification we found here. So h dash by h means v by u. It is a minus because it's a mirror. We put the v value and the u value. So definitely we found the plus answer 0.23. The image is virtual, erect, and smaller in size by a factor of 0.23. So friends, numerical are very easier. Now second, like 10.2, again from the concave mirror. An object 4.0 centimeter in size. Size means height. So first we have a value of h plus 4 is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Of focal length means we have a value of u, it is a minus 25, and the focal length we have a 15 centimeter. So that base we want a distance from the mirror so the screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image, and nature and the size of the image. So friends, the same equation 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Friends, here we have directly value f, directly put value of f and u. So definitely we found the answer after mathematical step. You got the answer like an image, and it is answer should become like minus 37.5 centimeter. So the screen should be placed at 37.5 centimeter in front of the mirror. The image is real. Whenever the answer image should become plus, so real, and should become, it is a plus. So that time you are asking a virtual. Now after the magnification, the same equation you put the like a v by u, but here some changing like m. is equal to h dash by h is equal to minus v by u. So that base we found the value h dash because we have value of h. Now h moving here, so equation should minus v h by u. Put all the values, and that base you found the minus 6.0. The image is inverted and the enlarged. So these two numericals we showing in the concave form. Now then after we showing two more activities numericals from the textbook, because from these four numericals one of the numericals should be directly come without changing any type of values. So friends, we found here the next numericals. Okay friends, so now we showing a next example from the lens. A concave lens. Now you showing a word lens. So definitely we using a equation 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Has focal length of 15 centimeter. So we have a focal length f is a 15 centimeter, but we consider minus. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed to so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens? So here we have value image v is equal to minus 10 centimeter. So find the magnification also. So we using the formula like 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, and that base we here changing the equation like 1 by u because we found the value object. After we have value image and the focal length, we put in this formula, and after calculation we got answer u is equal to minus 30 centimeter. So that time after you found the object, after magnification, here m is equal to plus v by u. In the concave mirror minus v by u, but in the lens it is a plus v by u. So we put all the values like v and u, so you got plus 0.33. The positive sign show that the image is erect and virtual. The image is 1/3 of the size of the object. So friends, a simple numerical we showing here. Now example 10.4. Again from the lens. A 2.0 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. So we have a two value. First we have value of height, and then after focal length, and also a distance of like object 15 centimeter. Okay friends, so we have three value like a height, focal length, and the object u. So that base we found the value v. We have a lens formula here, and then after put all the values, definitely we have value v, it is a plus 30 centimeter. Then after we found the magnification. So the positive sign of v shows that the image is formed at a distance of 30 centimeter on the other side of the optical center. Means the image is real and inverted. So now here small m, we put a v and u values, so that base we found the minus 2. Means the negative sign of m and h dash show that the image is inverted and the real. Okay friends, simple numericals in the exam time are very useful to you. Okay friends, so next time we coming with the next chapter.